So, what makes topgdrainer so unique? Unlike old-school methods, this tool is simple, lightning-fast, and fully customizable. In this video, I'll walk you through a real example to show you exactly how it works. Here's the deal. You message your target on Telegram with an irresistible offer, like buying their username or anonymous number. They take the bait, you send a custom fragment link, and boom, our tool does the rest. The link looks perfectly legit. They click, accept, and their wallet drains in seconds. Clean, seamless, and totally next level. Why is topgdrainer a game changer? It's all about unmatched flexibility. You pick the target, username or anonymous number. You set the price. You call the shots. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, this tool makes it effortless to stay ahead. This is your chance to jump on a brand new method that's rewriting the rules. Don't get left behind with outdated tricks. Ready to grab topgdrainer or check out the source code? Hit me up on Telegram, links in the description. Act fast, because this revolutionary tool is going viral and spots are limited. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.